Hello and welcome back to Buddha GS Center. I am your host Ajay Kumar and today we have something very exciting for you. We will be diving into one of the William Shakespeare's most powerful and tragic plays, Othello. And not just a summary. Today we are going to go through 100 fascinating facts about this iconic work of literature. Whether you are a student, a literature enthusiast, or just curious about the play, these facts will give you an in-depth understanding of Othello like never before. Fact number 1. Othello was written by Shakespeare around 1603 and is one of his most performed tragedies. Fact number 2. The story is set during the wars between Venice and the Ottoman Empire. Fact number 3. Othello, the protagonist, is a Moorish general in the Venetian army, which highlights the racial tensions of the time. Fact number 4. The play explores themes of the jealousy, betrayal, love and racism. Fact number 5. Shakespeare was inspired by a short story written by Italian author Giraldi Cinthio. Fact number 6. Othello premiered at the court of King James I. Fact number 7. The play's full title, The Tragedy of Othello, the Moor of Venice. Fact number 8. Shakespeare made Othello a tragic hero with a fatal flaw known as hamartia. Fact number 9. One of the central themes is how easily trust can be manipulated. Fact number 10. The play is part of Shakespeare's great tragedies along with Hamlet, King Lear and Macbeth. Fact number 11. Othello the Moor is one of Shakespeare's most complex. Iago the Number 13. Desdemona Othello's wife represents tragic events. Othello's loyal lieutenant wrongfully caused off an affair with Desdemona. Fact number 15. Emilia, Iago's wife, plays a crucial role in revealing the truth at the end of the play. Fact number 16. The character Roderigo is in love with Desdemona and is manipulated by Iago. Fact number 17. Brabantio, Desdemona's father, opposes her marriage to Othello. Fact number 18. Bianca is a minor character who is in love with Cassio and is also involved in the deception. Fact number 19. Iago is often considered the most psychological complex villain in Shakespeare's works. Fact number 20. Othello's jealousy is the main driving force of tragedy. Fact number 21. Othello follows a 5-act structure, a typical of Shakespearean play. Fact number 22. The play begins in Venice, but the majority of the plot unfolds on the island of Cyprus. Fact number 23. The play opens with Iago expressing his hatred for Othello. Fact number 24. Iago's manipulation leads Othello to believe that Desdemona has been unfaithful. Fact number 25. A key plot device in the play is a handkerchief, which becomes a symbol of Desdemona's supposed infidelity. Fact number 26. The climax occurs in Act 3rd when Othello vows revenge on Desdemona and Cassio. Fact number 27. By Act 4th, Othello is consumed by jealousy and begins plotting Desdemona's murder. Fact number 28. The play ends in tragedy with Othello killing Desdemona only to realize later that she was innocent. Fact number 29. Othello commits suicide in the final act, overwhelmed with guilt. Fact number 30. The play deals with the tragic consequences of false assumptions and manipulation. Fact number 31. One of the main themes of Othello is jealousy, often referred to as the green-eyed monster. Fact number 32. The play explores the destructive power of deception. Fact number 33. Race and racism are central themes with Othello facing discrimination as a Moor. Fact number 34. The theme of the loyalty and betrayal is key, especially in the relationship between Othello, Iago, and Desdemona. Fact number 35. Shakespeare uses dramatic irony extensively throughout the play, especially with Iago's manipulations. Fact number 36. Gender roles and the treatment of women are also explored through the characters of Desdemona and Emilia. Fact number 37. The play critiques the societal expectation of marriage and fidelity. 38. Love and its complexities are portrayed as both beautiful and dangerous. Fact number 39. The concept of honor is questioned, especially in Othello's actions toward the end. Fact number 39. The concept of honor is questioned, especially in Othello's actions toward the end. Number 40. The play also delves into the theme of reputation as seen in the case of Cassio and Othello. Fact number 41. One of the most famous quotes is Iago's line, "Oh, beware, my lord of jealousy, it is the green-eyed monster, which doth mock the meat it feeds on." 42. Othello's tragic declaration, "Put out the light," and then "put out the light," is filled with layered meaning. Fact number 43. "I am not what I am," a line from Iago, foreshadows his deceptive nature. Fact number 44. Desdemona's words, "His unkindness may defeat my life, but never taint my love," reflect her innocence. Number 45. Othello was written during the early 1600s, a time when England had limited contact with people of African descent, making Othello's character groundbreaking for its time. Fact number 46. The character of Othello was likely inspired by the real-life figure of Leo Africans, a Moorish diplomat and author who traveled extensively through Europe. Fact number 47. The play reflects the Renaissance concerns about race, honor, and the growing interactions between Europe and the Ottoman Empire. Fact number 48. Venetian society in the 16th century, where the play is set, was known for its complex social and racial dynamic, which Shakespeare explored through Othello's character. Fact number 49. Despite his foreign origins, Othello is a respected general in the Venetian army, showcasing the tension between his professional status and societal prejudices. Fact number 51. In South Africa, during apartheid, Othello was used as a symbol of racial injustice and was performed by multiracial casters to highlight the absurdity of segregation. Fact number 52. The play was one of the first of Shakespeare's works to be performed in America, with production dating back to the early 18th century. Fact number 53. Othello's character has sparked debates on the representation of black men in literature, with some critics viewing him as a novel figure and others seeing his portrayal as a reinforcing. Fact number 53. Othello's character has sparked debates on the representation of black men in literature, with some critics viewing him as a novel figure and others seeing his portrayal as reinforcing racial stereotypes. Fact number 54. Iago's manipulations are often seen as a representative of broader societal forces that undermine marginalized individuals like Othello. Fact number 55. The theme of jealousy in Othello has influenced various works of art, literature, and even psychological studies on the destructive nature of envy. Fact number 56. Othello has been adapted into a variety of artistic forms, from ballet and opera to modern film and television. Fact number 57. In Japan, Othello has been adapted into traditional forms of theater like Noa and Kabuki, showcasing its global appeal. Fact number 58. The play's famous line, "Oh, beware, my lord of jealousy, it is the green-eyed monster, which doth mock the meat it feeds on has become a well-known metaphor for jealousy's corrosive effects. Fact number 59. Othello remains one of the most frequently studied and performed of Shakespeare's plays in academic institutions worldwide. Fact number 60. The tragic love story of Othello and Desdemona has inspired countless adaptations in romance, novels, films, and even popular culture references highlighting its enduring legacy. Fact number 61. Othello has been adapted into countless stage and film productions over the years. Fact number 62. The first known black actor to play Othello was Ira Aldridge in the 19th century, breaking racial barriers in theatre. Fact number 63. Laurence Olivier famous portrayed Othello in blackface, which has become a controversial topic in modern discussions about race in performance. Fact number 64. Orson Welles directed and starred in a film version of Othello in 1952, which won the Grand Prix at the Cannes Film Festival. Fact number 65. In 1995, Lawrence Fishburne became the first black actor to portray Othello in a major studio film, opposite Kenneth Branagh as Iago. Fact number 66. The play has been adapted into modern retellings such as the 2001 film, which set the story in a contemporary high school. Fact number 67. Othello continues to be a staple of theatre festivals and is frequently performed by Shakespearean companies worldwide. Fact number 68. Patrick Stewart once portrayed Othello in a controversial production where all the other characters were played by black actors, creating an inversion of the racial dynamics. Fact number 69. Othello has inspired numerous operas, including Giuseppe Verdi's Othello, which remains one of the most performed operas worldwide. Fact number 70. Othello has been the subject of numerous academic discussion regarding race, colonialism, and power dynamics. Fact number 71. Othello was initially well received in Shakespeare's time, but its racial elements have sparked various interpretations over the centuries. Fact number 73. Others interpret the play as a commentary on the fragility of identity and the destructive power of jealousy. Fact number 74. Iago's character has fascinated psychologists and literary critics who view him as a sociopath or even as a personification of evil. Fact number 75. Feminist critics have analyzed the treatment of Desdemona and Emilia as representations of women's roles in patriarchal societies. Fact number 76. The handkerchief in the play is often seen as a symbol of Othello's misplaced trust and love. Fact number 77. The play raises questions about the nature of justice and the role of fate in human lives. Fact number 78. Some productions emphasize the theme of honor and reputation, focusing on Othello's role as a soldier. Fact number 79. Directors have explored different ways of portraying Iago's motivations, from personal vengeance to generalized hatred of humanity. Fact number 80. The play has remained relevant in modern times, resonating with contemporary audiences due to its exploration of race and power. Fact number 81. Othello is written predominantly in iambic pentameter, a common meter in Shakespeare's play. Fact number 82. The language used by Othello changes throughout the play, becoming more fragmented and erratic as jealousy consumes him. Fact number 83. Iago's soliloquies give the audience direct insight into his plans, creating dramatic irony. Fact number 84. Shakespeare uses rich imagery and symbolism in Othello, such as the handkerchief and the recurring motif of the beads with two bags. Fact number 85. The contrast between Othello's poetic speech and Iago's blunt, manipulative language reflects their differing characters. Fact number 86. The play's dialogue also incorporates Venetian and military terminology, grounding the story in its historical setting. Fact number 87. Shakespeare uses repetition to emphasize Othello's obsessive thoughts about Desdemona's supposed betrayal. Fact number 88. Othello's final speech, where he tries to justify his action, is often considered one of the most powerful moments in the play. Fact number 89. Shakespeare uses Othello's transformation to explore the theme of madness, paralleling similar developments in King Lear and Hamlet. Fact number 90. The play's tragic ending is hallmark of Shakespeare's tragedies, leaving the audience reflecting on human frailty. Fact number 91. Othello remains one of the most performed and studied plays across the globe. Fact number 92. The character of Iago is often cited as one of the greatest villains in all of literature. Fact number 93. Othello's struggle with identity as an outsider continues to resonate with modern audiences. Fact number 94. The play's influence can be seen in various other works from novels to movies. Fact number 95. The themes of jealousy and betrayal are universal, making Othello relevant across cultures and time periods. Fact number 96. Othello is part of many academic curriculums around the world, including English literature courses and drama studies. Fact number 97. The play has inspired numerous adaptations in different languages and cultures. Fact number 98. In 2001, the Royal Shakespeare Company staged a performance of Othello with Anthony Sher as Iago, earning critical acclaim. Fact number 99. Othello has been referenced in popular music, with artists like Bob Dylan and Kanye West mentioning it in their lyrics. Fact number 100. Finally, Othello has left a lasting impact on theatre and continues to inspire new generations of actors, directors, and audiences. And there you have it, 100 incredible facts about Othello, one of Shakespeare's most iconic tragedies. This masterpiece continues to inspire and challenge us even after more than 400 years. I hope you found this video insightful and that it deepened your appreciation for Shakespeare's genius. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Buddha GS Center for more exciting literary content. I am Ajay Kumar and I will see you next time. Until then, keep learning and stay